Styling with bold colors like blue and yellow can feel a little intimidating, but it doesn't have to. Here's our formula to keep it elevated and not chaotic at all. Start with one dominant color. In this look, yellow is the star. It's bright, fun, and eye-catching, so we use it in a number of different areas like the runner, the lemons, and as well as some of the florals on the hanging overhead bar and centerpieces. Next, choose a secondary color that's not quite as bold, and in this case, it's our blue. Now this blue is going to ground the palette. I brought it in with our charger plates, the napkins, and the darker colored glassware, and that's just gonna help anchor the whole setup and also allow our star of the show, the yellow color, to shine. Now, because we have so many bold colors going on here, you want a fairly neutral base, and so that's why I went with the white linen underneath, as well as the white hanging wisteria above, just so that it keeps the palette feeling clean and breathable. Here's a really big tip. Group your bold colors in clusters or visual zones. You don't want to scatter them everywhere. This allows the eyes to rest between color pops. So you can see that in the grouping of the lemons, the centerpiece flowers, as well as the glassware. Think in layers, stack textures, alternate finishes, and mix matte and glossy for extra dimension without having to add more color. This approach makes the bold palettes feel curated and not chaotic. Save this for your next tablescape, and we'll see you in the next video.